Stay good, Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th Standard Max State Board, Chapter 9, Exercise 9.9, Integration, Volume. Now we are going to see about the volume. Volume of a solid. See here, volume of a solid. Volume of a solid obtained by revolving the area. Volume of a solid obtained by obtained by revolving the area, obtained by revolving the area, revolving the area, revolving the area about an x-axis, revolving the area about an x-axis, about an x-axis equal to, about an x-axis equal to, that is the curve y equal to f of x, the curve y equal to f of x. Then the volume of the solid revolution about x-axis v equal to, volume equal to pi integral a to b, integral a to b y square into dx. The same way, volume of a solid, volume of a solid obtained by revolving, volume of a solid obtained by revolving, obtained by revolving the area, by revolving the area, obtained by revolving the area, area about an, area about an y-axis, about y-axis, revolving the area about y-axis equal to, about y-axis equal to, that is x equal to f of y, x equal to f of y, volume equal to pi integral c to d x square into dy, x square into dy about a x-axis, x square into dy, x square into dy, that is volume of a solid obtained by revolving the area about a x-axis equal to y equal to f of x, volume equal to pi into integral a to b y square dx. The same way, volume of a solid obtained by revolving the area about y-axis, x equal to f of y, volume equal to pi integral c to d x square into dy. See the first sum. Find by integration the volume of a solid generated by revolving about the x-axis, the region enclosed y equal to 2x square, y equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So the limits are given in the form of, limits are given in the form of x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 2x square, it's a open upward curve, y equal to 2x square is a open upward curve, and x equal to 1, x equal to 1. So it is revolved like this, it is revolved about the x-axis, it is revolved about the x-axis. So you can take it as y equal to 2x square, the limit y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, x equal to 1. So see here, integral volume equal to, what is the formula? Volume equal to pi integral a to b, pi integral a to b y square into dx, y square into dx. The limit is x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means y equal to 2, x equal to 1 means y equal to 2. So it revolved about the x-axis, it will revolve like this, it revolved about the x-axis. So volume equal to pi into, volume equal to pi into integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, y is 2x square. So yx square is 2x square the whole square into dx. So pi integral 0 to 1 4x power 4 into dx. So 4 pi you can take it out, it is a constant. Integral 0 to 1 x power 4 into dx. So it gives 4 pi into x power 5, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is x power 5 by 5. So 0 to 1, the limit is 0 to 1. 4 pi upper limit minus lower limit 0. So 1 power 5 value is 1. So 4 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5 cubic units. So volume of the solids, cubic units. So volume of the solid is 4 pi by 5 cubic units. See the second sum. See the second sum. Find by integration the volume of the solid generated by revolving about x-axis. The region is enclosed by y equal to e power minus 2x, y equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So the limit is given as x equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to e power minus 2x. Volume equal to volume of the solid, volume of the solid equal to volume of the solid equal to, what is the formula? Volume of the solid equal to pi into integral a to b y square into dx, y square into dx, pi integral 0 to 1 y square e power minus 2x the whole square into dx, e power minus 2x the whole square into dx. So volume equal to volume volume equal to pi integral 0 to 1, pi integral 0 to 1 e power minus 4x into dx, e power minus 4x into dx, pi into e power minus 4x by x coefficient, you can write it in the denominator, limit 0 to 1, limit 0 to 1, it gives pi by minus 4, pi by minus 4, upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So volume equal to volume volume equal to minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 into minus pi by 4 into e power minus 4 minus e power 0, e power minus 4 by e power 0. So minus pi by 4 into e power minus 4, e power 0 value is 1, minus you can bring it inside. So pi by 4 into 1 minus e power minus 4 cubic units, cubic units. So pi by 4 into 1 minus e power minus 4 cubic units. See, I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.